Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to report a chat and block someone on Pinterest using your PC. All updated for the latest version. Whether you're dealing with spam, inappropriate messages, or just want to keep your Pinterest experience safe and positive, knowing how to report and block is essential. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on Messages to access your chats. Now, you'll see a list of all your recent conversations. Find the chat you want to report and click on it to open the conversation window. At the top right corner of the chat, you'll notice 3 small dots. Go ahead and click on those dots to open a drop-down menu with more options. From this menu, select Report. Pinterest will then prompt you to choose the reason you're reporting this chat. Take a moment to pick the option that best describes the issue you're experiencing. Once you've made your selection, click Next to proceed. On the next screen, you'll see an option to block the user as well. Make sure to check the box to block them, which will prevent them from sending you any more messages in the future. When you're ready, confirm your choice to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully reported the chat and blocked the user on Pinterest, all from your PC. This quick action helps keep your Pinterest space safe and enjoyable, and it also assists Pinterest in maintaining a positive community for everyone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.